Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm your trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of CHF JPY, Swiss franc, Japanese yen. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel for regular market analysis. And do check out the Forex analysis playlist for the analysis of other currency pairs. So let's get started. So this is the chart of CHF JPY. Okay, I recommended CHF JPY in the last week when market was trading at this particular position and I saw a divergence. But after that, yes, we got some good move. Okay, we made some money, we made some profit. But after that, we can see that market went flat. Okay, so at first, let's do the analysis first. Okay, so what do we get if you look at the chart? Okay, if we look at the chart, then we can see that overall market is a beautiful uptrend. Okay, market is very bullish, and there is no doubt about it. Okay, that market is very much bullish, and you can see it here. I'm in the 4 hours time frame. Okay, I'm in the 4 hours time frame. So first thing is that the trend is clear to us. Okay, the trend is towards the upside. Okay, and right now you can see that market was taking support at the 50 moving average previously, but right now, okay, if I zoom in the chart, then we can see that right now market is trading below the 50 moving average. Okay, so which is not a good sign, and market was in a beautiful uptrend making higher highs, and whenever it was coming down, it was taking support at the 50 moving average, and on the other hand, it was also respecting the trend line. Okay, market had dual support. Okay, market had dual support. But right now we can see that market has broke the previous support, and right now market is flat. Okay, so the previous support levels, this trend line is no longer valid, and this 50 moving average is also no longer valid as a support. Okay, and if I take you to the weekly time frame once, then in the weekly time frame, let me remove this divergence. In the weekly time frame, we can see that okay, market is very bullish. There is no doubt about it. But stochastic RSI is telling that market has reached the overbought zone, and right now market is trading in the overbought zone for quite some time. Therefore, there is a good amount of possibility that we may get to see some correction or retracement. Okay, and we can see that this week market has formed a shooting star kind of a pattern. Okay, which means that uh, sellers sellers dominated the market this week, and previous week also, though we get to see a green candle, but there was also price rejection from above. Okay, so one thing is very clear to us, that though market is very bullish, but this level 122.55 122.55 is an important, quite an important resistance for the market. Okay, so this is the analysis. Now let's jump to the strategy. What should be a strategy then? So this is the resistance. Okay, this is the resistance for us. Sorry, I cannot adjust it. Okay. So this is the resistance for us. So the first trading opportunity in this market is this level. Okay, if market crosses this level, okay, if market crosses this level, then we will get the first buying opportunity. Okay, so as the market is in uptrend, therefore we should only look for buying opportunities, because we need to stay with the trend. We should not go against the trend. Therefore first trading opportunity is this. If when market will cross this level, okay, but right now market is kind of flat, so there is less chance that market will cross this level on Monday. Still I'm discussing. So if when market will cross this level, this resistance level, and when you'll see that market is trading comfortably above this resistance, then you'll get the first buying option. Okay, and secondly, okay, in my every video I always speak of area of value. Area of value is nothing but the best trading opportunity or the best trading spot. Okay, so this market is CHF JPY is in uptrend, no doubt about it. Okay, So in an uptrend market, the area of value or the best trading opportunity is always near the support. Okay. Whereas in a downtrend market, it is always near the resistance. But this market is in uptrend. Therefore, we need to find the support. And right now we can see that there is no proper support here. Okay. And right now market is quite flat also. Okay. Therefore, there is no proper area of value here. Okay. We will only get the best area of value if market crosses this level. When this resistance will become the support, then we will think of buy order. Okay. But as of now, you can see that market is kind of flat. Okay, there is not much movement here. We just have one support level on the downside at this 121.34 level. Okay, we have this level, this level as the support, and right now we can see that market is trying to come down. Therefore, let the market open on Monday and just see how the price reacts. Okay, if you see that price is trying to come down here, and if it takes support at this price level and bounces, then you can go for a buy order, but do not expect much profit, because you can see that there is not much volatility in the market is quite flat. Okay, you can expect a 20, 30, 40 pips profit max to max. Okay, not more than that. So in case market comes down and takes support at this price level, you can go for a buy order. But remember, confirmation is important, because see, previously 50 moving average and a trend line was acting as a support, but right now market does not have any support, and it is also acting below the 50 moving average. So things are quite messy right now, and most importantly, there is not much volatility movement here. Personally, I will avoid, and I'll also recommend you to avoid this kind of market until and unless it crosses this level. But still, if you want to take a trade here, then this is your first trading opportunity, and this support is your second trading opportunity. But if you are a big move, good move, then this chart is not for you. Okay, personally, I'll avoid. So let's see how the market opens on Monday. Okay, in case it takes support and bounces, well and good, you can go for a small profit or big profit. Hopefully you've understood. If you have liked the video and found the video informative, give a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. Thank you so much. All the best. Take care. See you on Monday.